Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing one of the latest budget smartphones from Infinix, the Hot 60i. Is it worth your money or it is just another flashy low-end phone? Let's find out. Let us start with the unboxing experience. Alright, now that we have reached the phone, this actually feels really light. It is only 188 grams. The phone is 166 by 76 by 7.7 millimeter thick. It is a very sleek looking device. Let's boot it up and see what else is there in the box. We get the usual paperwork and warranty cards and manuals. We also get this SIM ejector. We get this really nice plastic case. Only issue about this is the sides are open. Inside the box we get a 45-watt charger with a USB-A to USB-C cable. It comes with 6GB 128GB storage or 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. It might vary from location to location. Where I stay we get these two variants, which is okay for the price range. The phone comes with a hybrid SIM card tray with two SIMs and one SD card, which is expandable up to 1 terabyte. Once you boot it right out of the box, it starts with Android 15 and the OS is XOS 15.1. Soon as you start the device, it will try to ask you to install some bloatwares, but even if you skip those, you still have to uninstall a lot of bloatwares that is already pre-installed. The chipset is not that strong. It is MediaTek Helio G81 Ultimate. The phone feels amazing in the hand. The plastic back looks really good and it doesn't get as much fingerprint as glass. The side frame is also made of the same plastic. The bottom has a headphone jack, USB-C port and a speaker grill. On the side we have the volume rocker. Below that is a fingerprint reader and power button combined, and underneath that is the AI button or a quick access button. On the left side we just have the SIM card tray. On top we have another set of speakers. The display is not that bad. Along with the stereo speakers, it gives a really good multimedia experience. The device is also certified IP64 dust and water resistance. Let's talk about the cameras. The main camera is 50 megapixel. As you can see, this has 10x optical zoom. Since there is only one lens behind, this is not bad actually. I have seen a lot worse in this price range. This is a 1080p video from the back camera. This is the video from the back camera with 1x, and this is shooting in 2K resolution. This is how it looks. Let me see the autofocus. Here are some photo samples from the back camera. This is the back camera in portrait mode. And the selfie camera is 8 megapixels. This is the selfie camera in portrait mode. This here is the video from the front camera of the Infinix Hot 60i. I hope I sound clear. This is a microphone test as well. The selfie camera is really good, but you can't expect anything great from these cameras. The software experience is average. Explain me the AI features of Infinix Hot 60i.
The Infinix Hot 60 series incorporates several AI features designed to enhance the user experience. Key AI features include AI camera.
It comes with a lot of copycat features like the dynamic island from iPhone. Once you connect it to the charger, you will see this dynamic island thing pop up. The charging animation is nice and it has two settings. One is to save your battery health, the other one is for getting the fastest charging speed possible. If you're looking for a camera centric device, this phone should not be your choice. Or even if you're looking for a heavy gaming device, you should not choose this phone. This is a very good average day to day use phone for someone who needs a secondary phone, or a teenager who's getting their first phone, or someone elderly who needs to do multitasking and some regular tasks.